May isang salita na tila allergic ang mga staff ni Vice President Sara Duterte. That word is disburse. What do I mean by this? Balikan natin itong exchange ni Senator Chis Escudero at ni Gina Acosta na naging Special Disbursing Officer ng OVP. Sa madaling sabi, si Acosta ang may responsibilidad na humawak ng confidential funds ni VP Sara. Pero ibinigay niya ang 500 million pesos across 4 quarters kay Colonel Raymond Lachica, ang nooy security officer ng OVP. Si Lachica raw kasi ang nag-quote implement. Let's watch.
Ibig sabihin po ba nag-implement siya yung nag-disburse?
Siya po ang nag-implement, Your Honor. Kung may binayaran po siya, Your Honor.
Kung siya po ang nag-implement, ibig sabihin siya ang nag-disburse.
Basta ako, Your Honor, ako po ang nag-disburse sa kanya, Your Honor. Siya po ang nag-implement.
Hindi po komplikado to.
Opo.
Yung ginawa ba niyang pagbabayad, hindi ba disbursement din yun?
Nagbayad siya, Your Honor.
Kung mapapansin nyo, Acosta was really trying so hard not to say that Lachica disbursed the money. Basta si Lachica raw yung nag-implement. Keep that word in mind, implement, as we watch this next exchange between Escudero and OVP Assistant Chief of Staff Lemuel Ortonio.
Did Colonel Lachica spend the money?
Being the implementer of the different activities, sir, he spent the money for the different confidential activities.
So Colonel Lachica disbursed the money for various confidential activities.
He implemented the different activities.
See, this high-ranking staff of VP Sara seem to be allergic to saying the word disburse in reference to Colonel Lachica. Kaya nga ganito na lang yung sinabi ni Cheese.
Binago ko lang ng konting disburse, bumalik ka na naman sa implement eh.
Yung paulit-ulit na tila eksaktong linya sa naging papel ni Lachica ay ang rason kung bakit may mga pumitik na senator judges. Tila scripted raw kasi yung mga sagot ng hostile witnesses. So, bakit nga ba ayaw nila sabihin yung salitang disburse? Doing so would be an admission that the Sara Duterte-led OVP violated the joint circular governing the use of confidential funds. And nakasaad doon, Section 6.3.2, SDO ang dapat nagdi-disburse ng confidential funds. Wala namang sinabi doon na security officer. Rappler wrote a story listing the many times that VP Sara violated that joint circular. Napakaraming probisyon ng nilabag. Mula sa pagda-transfer ng pera sa isang officer na hindi covered ng Fidelity Fund, paggamit ng confidential funds para i-reimburse ang prior expenses, paggamit ng pera for payment of rewards na walang kalakip na mga resibo at iba pang mga dokumento. The violations are so brazen, and we've known this for quite some time. So, it's crazy that we're still discussing this in 2026. Sina Acosta at Ortonio ay kabilang sa mga humaharap sa reklamong plunder sa Office of the Ombudsman. Kung mag-prosper ito, ang parusa ay habang buhay na pagkakakulong. There are already insinuations by some senator judges na blindly obedient ang mga kawani ng vice-presidente to the point that they are willing to take the fall. So bakit? Ito ang basa ni Congressman Benny Abante, isa sa mga nag-endorso ng original impeachment complaints laban sa vice-presidente.
Naniniwala kasi itong dalawang ito na magiging presidente naman to si Sara pag hindi na-impeach to. They're willing to be sacrificial lambs.
Kayo, what do you think? For more news analysis like this one, visit the Rappler website or download the Rappler app.